Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your identity quickly. Upload ID and selfie, then confirm your phone and email. This unlocks higher limits. Once verified, link a bank card or choose a local bank transfer to fund your account. Add the specific currency balances you plan to use, dollars, euros, pounds, so payments and conversions are faster. Make sure to check the displayed fees and exchange rate margin before confirming any top-up, because that affects the total you'll see instantly. Once you have funds, pick send or convert depending on need. Choose the currency pair and enter the amount. You'll see the live mid-market rate plus a clear fee breakdown. Review both, since low fees speed transfers. Add the recipient using their bank details, email, or a Wise payment link for passive collection. Once done, confirm and authorize with 2FA. Use the recent activity and scheduled payments to manage recurring transfers, so you avoid repeating manual steps. To finish, confirm the recipient received funds and review the transaction status with the tracking ID. This verifies completion. If a transfer misses the ETA, open the transaction, then use Wise Chat or Dispute Flow with the tracking ID and payment proof. Support typically resolves issues quickly. Make sure your verification documents are accessible if requested, and keep an eye on your currency balances to re-top up or convert as needed. Doing these final checks prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.